If I were gonna just throw just a prompt out, like not necessarily a question, just a prompt, and just to hear your response, but the prompt is just Mike Tedesco on second chances.
Well, they're possible. Um, I went to a um, homeless place in Pittsburgh, and I had a big Christmas dinner for these guys. And there's a lot of good people there. People that, whether it was a divorce, whether it was drugs, whether it was a bad business partner decision, I sat down there with lunch and I ate with them and we talked and I spoke. The guy, a friend of mine, asked me, "Would you speak?" I said, "Sure." I'm just me. I'm not no educated man. I'm not, I can tell you from me. And what I tried to explain to them, some of you guys might have made 50,000 a year, 100,000. Don't sit here and say, "Well, I'm not going back to work unless I make $50,000 a year, or unless I do this." Or you got to start by just getting on first base. So to me, if we can get you to work at McDonald's and you do a great job, and say Mike Tedesco walks in and he owns a restaurant, and I see you and you got a good personality and you're a hard worker, I'm going to say, "Hey, Jason, I'd like for you to come to work for me." Now you're on second base. So I think life, you just can't go up and try to hit the home run. You have to take the steps. That's my advice in life.